Blessed is the one who walks alone, who won't stand where the wicked have grown, who won't sit with the scornful and cold, but delights in the law like it's pure gold. Manuia gaia teia e savali fa a solo. Ele tu ile ala o le agasala. Ele no fo ile no foa o le fa a sea. Aolo na fia fia ile tu la fonoga le atua. Like a tree planted deep where the waters flow. E peyo le la au, e peyo le la au. Wafato atoto ile vai ole atua. By the river, fruit in season, leaves that never fall. I live wicked are the chaff in the wind, blown away where the empty have sinned. They won't stand when the judgment begins, for the Lord, He knows the way of the just. Ole agasala e pei ole vau ele wafa atele na ele matagi le vasa ele tu ile out ele ga ole atua a ole atua ilo ale ala ole tagata sa. Meditating on what is right, day and night, day and night. His leaf will not wither in the light. Asomabo, mavau vau ile tu la fonogasa. Asomabo, ele malupulona lau ile malama. Like a tree planted deep where the waters flow. E peyo le la au, e peyo le la au. Wafato atoto ile vai ole atua. By the river, fruit in season, leaves that never fall. Ale vai ta fe, ile vai ta fe. Fa manuia ga moleti no atoa. The way of the wicked will perish and fade, but the righteous shall stand in the light.